traten de no llevar nada que se les vaya a caer o se les pueda mojar durante la actividad.
Today we are going canoeing. We are at a safari and part of it is offering canoes. So that is what we're going to be doing today. Look at me all cute. I'm all dressed up and ready to go. Now it's our turn. I'm going to warn you, we have no experience doing this. So yeah, story time in like a minute or two. As you probably know, my favorite color is blue and I wanted a blue one so bad. But that was not our luck. We just got a pretty red one, which is still okay. I just love blue. And here we go! As I mentioned, we have never gone canoeing and we were hitting everything and going in circles, so there will be a lot of that in this video. It probably didn't help that I wasn't steering or helping. I was just recording this, so yeah. I can't remember exactly where it happened, but during one of these waterfall areas, I literally got like sucked underneath. And someone, like one of the volunteers, one of the workers, had to come and lift me out. Like this guy, I believe it was, literally had to lift me out because I was like stuck in the canoe and like going under. So that was scary, but they're there to help you, so it was an incredible experience. Still would not change it because we had fun. We were completely drenched from falling into the water, from me splashing around because I don't know how to control canoes. It was just an experience we will never forget. All of these little specks are little fish that were swimming around our feet. If you look close enough, you can see a monkey up in the tree, and when he starts to move, you can see a second one. I thought this was really cool because in Canada we don't have monkeys, so this was a really cool experience. You also can go, I believe, canoeing when you go past these lines. They have a little area that has some that you can just go out in. So you can get closer to the waterfall, but we did not do that since we had a bad experience with the kayak.